I'm at the Temple, Texas depot. This is BNSF. I guess they got a mini shop here. It's not a building. They don't do any major work here, I'm sure, but they do probably minor work. Got one idle in there. I'm sitting here on the Moody, Texas old railroad depot, but they've moved here from Moody, Texas, and they've got a model railroad display inside, but it's not open today. I think it's open maybe once or twice on Saturdays, but I'm here on Saturday, July the 13th, 2019, but it's not open today. There's an old steam locomotive with some old cars, and the railroad depot is just beyond that. Restored Temple Railroad, big Temple Railroad depot and museum. Very nice. They've been doing a lot of work around here, as you can see by the piles right here, and they're even working today on down there, putting a caboose, making it ready for the handicap ramp up to the caboose on down there. Signing off. Goodbye.